Hi everyone, what a year it's been in Merthyr Tudful. 2025 has been packed with some seriously exciting stuff, and I wanted to take a moment to remember a few of the highlights in my final update of the year. 2025 marked the 200th birthday of our much-loved Cyfarthfa Castle. It's been a fantastic year of events to celebrate this milestone, and it was great to see so many of you here at the birthday weekend in July. Speaking of Cyfarthfa Castle, we were absolutely thrilled to host a royal visit with Their Majesties the King and Queen in November when they stopped by our beautiful castle, and the Queen visited Cyfarthfa Park Primary School. It was a day that celebrated Welsh community and culture and made headlines around the world when the King was serenaded by guests for his 77th birthday. Back in June, we were all transported back to the 80s with Johnny Owen, Vicky McClure, Tiffany and so many others when we held the first Red House Festival and Day Fever came to Penderyn Square. Everyone had an absolute blast, myself included. This year we've seen a bunch of new businesses pop up across the county borough for us all to enjoy, which is brilliant. The new indoor market recently opened and is already proven to be a massive hit with so many of you supporting the traders there. With even more new businesses joining them in the new year, I've got a good feeling that this market is going to be a huge success. Honestly, none of these amazing things would have been possible without our fantastic team at the council. So a massive thank you to all the staff who've worked so hard this year to keep everything running smoothly. Looking ahead to early next year, the Redcar West planning application is coming back to the council's planning committee for a decision. I'm personally really excited about this, as I think it's going to attract people into Merthyr Tudful from all over, create jobs, give our economy a boost, and open up tons of opportunities for our future generations. Early in the new year, a report will also go to full council with a recommendation to bring the Red House, a much-loved iconic building, back into public ownership. So I hope to be able to update you that really soon. That's it from me. I'd just like to finally take this opportunity to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful New Year, and I'll catch up with you all in 2026. Diolch.